I want you to looking at my face good and listen me now. I meet Solaine on the program. And the Solaine where me know is not the Solaine where I say me love her. Because I get to know Solaine now and see her and love her. Now, if you have a friend or you have somebody around you and you see them go down in a one pit and you can't tell them say, don't go there so you go down in the pit, he is a wicked, he is not a friend. I come on here, I speak to Solaine. It's like when you see Claudia sit down here, so enough days Solaine there, so sit down. And I say, Solaine, stop go out and make people boots you up to do certain things. You're a big woman, you're older than me, you're no pitney. You have sense because when you're there on my program, you talk sensible. Because every day Solaine something come up. So I just address Pauline. And me talk to you, and I say, Solaine, just easy yourself. I bet you come on me at the time, come sit down and in the night you go up, go sleep. More you there road and make people have you all about a chat and a video you because them a do it for attention. When you dance and wind up and such. She say, yeah, must be done, I'm not going to. Sometimes she there, all day sit down. When night time come, I say, Solaine, no go no party, go your bed, go sleep. And get up early in the morning, clean up your place and you can come back down here in the day. Don't drink, don't smoke. I know say you're not going to stop drink braps, alright? But cut it out. Or stop smoke braps, so cut it out. Alright. And you see me talk over and over every time me come on the phone or me say people. Remember, you know, Solaine did have a set of friend where I put her up in her phone, you know. Solaine can't read for send WhatsApp message. Solaine can't read for text. That's only for young people. So only for young girl and young boy. Solaine have where I put her in her phone every minute. And I tell her, all the one where I tell her about to lie down and go and roll. I know you have your mama or your mother. No, I will tell Solaine if you roll her ground. I will do that video Solaine and tell her if you roll. And them tell Solaine say roll her ground but get in her spirit. I know you would look for your mother and tell her if you go roll her ground and get in her spirit or if you do. We don't have Solaine, you don't have mother, you don't have auntie, you don't have sister. You wouldn't tell none of your family member if you do that because you know say anything you tell her if you do and she like the hype and she like the phone and she like the spotlight. Uno do it. Uno do the woman in a all kind of masquerade. And me I talk to her because me see the downfall. Me see what go happen. When Solaine hungry, none of you want put her in her phone to get likes, nah feed her, nah give her no money. Because when she don't have no money, alright, yes, so she reach. Or if she don't reach, yes, so she up and down all about town crossroad, all about her beg. And me can, as a big woman, can't say to Solaine, say, stop that. If you don't stop me, I go cut you off. And I say she not stop. I tell you something if you don't know. Look on it. I teach you something about social media. Because since me illiterate, I put myself in your shoes now. You know, say, Annty Donna marry go can be an accessory to Solaine behavior. If me have Solaine in my phone every day come and attack this and people are send money, you know say people can say me Solaine work with me or me have her on phone to talk for scam people. You don't know that. Look into it. Cause, remember, you know, me give her a platform for Uno Planka see her and people see her. And every time when she come a beg, every time when people call her a beg, I must have to draw with myself. You think me and make me tell you, say, if me no dig all with this program, yeah. If me no sing my program, nobody can sing this but Donna Marie go. Nobody can make me sing and go down in nowhere, nobody come for me. If me is still on, I go down in a pit, me I go run with her. You think me I bury myself with nobody, I make no woman bury me? Me can't talk to her. She calls me, say, look, me see as Madison a video with Solaine class me night. Through my company, I come talk about her behavior. Solaine have money for keep party. Solaine all call people and tell themselves she want money for keep party in a club. Anybody take up money send come get me. How much money me see Solaine get to put in teeth here so all long teeth can't reach in. And me can't tell Solaine say Solaine you not do the right thing. Them if me have a run and know say she have a night time shop and a roll in a dirt and a jump up in a man lap and then what kind of friend me would I be? And what kind of somebody will say me love her, me would that be if me can't say, Miss Solaine, stop it. Miss Solaine, I use the whole out now, I use her. The whole out now have her jump up and down and a dance, I use her because you know say something wrong and she have sense. She know say she will stop, but she said she a star, she want the spotlight. Make she get the spotlight somewhere else, not over on my page. Because me cannot preach something. And then, when she come and she talking to me, I say, yeah man, the talking help her and she interact and everybody listen. You understand? So I don't know what Pauline say me a bash the woman. If you don't know what bash mean. Constructive criticism is different from bash. Somebody I went some bash when somebody when you got up on phone or spotlight or we go tear them down. People when I mean Solaine no good at them, she have her phone, a video every minute. I put her in a pink wig, I put her in a this and I put her. Them no mean her no good. Look how long she has suffered. If it was never an Annty Donna program, there would have been no Solaine. And me I try to, you know much people call me at the time about Solaine. Even argue them I think twice if them to put her in a play. Because of what she had do. Me say Solaine, easy yourself. Relax yourself, act responsible because the people them want to put you in a prayer. And if you go a road and go rile up yourself in a dirt, them not going to use you because them not going to put you're not going to represent them brand. Tappy. All of that me tell her, me say you go get good money if you go in at the play. Then gain a little $1,000 and a little $10,000. Act responsible. Keep your kin quiet. No. She don't want to. And then you, Pauline. I come talk about me a bash. That's how you make mixed up in a Jamaica. You walk around on social media and make mischief. You mix up for woman because you must see one of them on the fake page or one of them will instigate Solaine if you go up and down or will take your phone and all out a video. Or when Solaine is there, I talk, don't tell she go say anything, don't hear me stop her and I say Solaine keep. The whole of the ages of them love Solaine halfway tree. Let me tell you now, enough of them call me Annty Donna as much as we love Solaine. And as much as she give with joke. We can't take to see people have Solaine in a phone and use her Annty Donna. Annty Donna, I love the program, I love Solaine, so they make me laugh till me drop off of the chair, Annty. But you need to do, we say I can't do nothing because first thing, I have to cut her off. When she there, she cuss everybody for no reason. If them not ask, if she ask them for money, she don't give them. Then what me fi do? Alright, me show no Solaine never. I don't want to tell no lie now. Somebody, Solaine, them send Solaine a MoneyGram for one money. And when Solaine go for the money, them black Solaine. So Solaine come and tell we say them black her. The woman called Paula we send the money. And the money was $50. Paula get somebody to pick up the money for Solaine. Paula down here at work. Solaine, that a day before you said that 2 days ago. Solaine come for the money. Paula turn to her and say, the person who will pick up the money not here. So when she pick it up, you will get the money. $50. The person go for the money and take out $1,500. Because you know, say, anybody will pick up money for me, them know. $1,500 out of the $1,500 out of the $50. Solaine get $5,500. Solaine, Paula down here working because we are called donor. Big up the donor them when me talk to and when me get through from morning. Because from morning, I don't go to me there call donor. Paula got Solaine go up a Paula yard. One piece of excitement up a command. Say Paula thief for money. When Paula see Solaine now last night, she go back in the night in Natalie. Because she go there and Paula never did there. And Paula did down here. So when Paula go up, Solaine get the money $5,500. Solaine walk at the whole of back bush and say Paula thief for money. And Solaine knows so when people pick up money, them not take, them have to get pay out tight and tell the woman say Paula thief. I said to Paula, when me talk, if I didn't know about it, say Paula get people to pick up money for Solaine, Paula could have never get involved. I say Paula make Solaine find her own friend and her colleagues them go pick up money. Because you see, your name they all about say your thief. And for $1,500 where Paula no want. I pay Paula pay the young mister go for the money, the $1,500 figure Western Union go stand up. So how me must condone with Solaine and them the behavior there? Eh? And then you know company with your nasty mouth and come tell me say, oh me I bash the woman. That's why this world can never be better, because people afraid to speak the truth. People afraid to see people are go wrong. People afraid to see somebody do something and tell them, say them wrong. Eh? You see me, I make Solaine wind up herself and I put her in a phone? When she come here and she do certain things, I tap her. Me get blamed for everything with Solaine. And a phone I blow up at the time. I see me Solaine here, so. See me Solaine there, so. I say, Donna, you need to do something. You need to go get psychiatrist. You need to go carry her go doctor. You need to go carry her go there, so. You need to go carry her go here, so. You need to go carry her. Oh, me for take on Solaine responsibility. Solaine have her 2 picking them. The poor Joseph can't manage. I run me, I want to run me from up there. She never have no phone, you never see her in nothing. But she get phone. I want to talk to the young miss them. I know some of them not soon yet. You would have never do no matter that you do to Solaine. You would have never do no auntie one in a phone a question. Let me show you what I see today with Solaine. You would have, let me show you something. What I see you do with Solaine. Yeah, good boy. Let me show you something when I see them do with Solaine over Pink Wall. When I see them like somebody send it to Pink Wall with Solaine, they are grown. Woman in a 2 video, you know. Everything Solaine do in a video, it I want to post it. Because I make a mockery of her. This is one of them. Hold on, the phone you turn up. It low. Everything we should do, when we turn her in a masquerade, let me show you now. Let me show you one of them, because I see it. Anytime them put up her over there, everybody attack me. I mean, see there? You don't listen to this. You don't listen to this.
Show your roll.
You don't look.
Get in a spirit, Solaine. Yeah.
A video they said them put Solaine in a Maca Diamond. A space I feel video Solaine a film. Why you sit down and make whoever you tell for film video Maca? Cause me ear say today now me I go ear. Dash your mommy and ear go and go play. Allegedly. Allegedly. No, she did come here and tell me say she go do video for Maca Diamond in a pink. I hear people that call me today and I say Maca video she in a. Why Maca as a big woman who have sense and love Solaine would have make them have Solaine a roll a ground. They put him in a video. You know tell me now, you know? Tell me now. Why you would have condone something like this? You never see me tell Solaine go lie down anything when you do a Solaine say you tell her to do it. You a video her and tell her what she do. Oh, you have the woman a grown. No tell me no I can't do with her. I send out a video like that. You tell me no, no? Eh? Oh, that look. Oh, that look. When me see it, my heart cry. Water come on my eye. Because I couldn't have my mother and see people that do her so. Me wouldn't them young girl they want to do Solaine so and all about to have pick me show no Solaine page. Me show no Solaine page. Every young girl love Solaine. Everybody I know say some of them nah. Hold on. Me show no Solaine IG page. All of them sitting here. All of them sitting here. When you ask Solaine who tell him to do it. Inside people. Look on it. All I jump on in a phone. Look now. And then put her up and then give her money and then give her all kind of something. Tell me now. You know say I use them, I use the woman planka people. Talk the truth. You know take this advantage of Solaine and it hurt my heart. And I should even depend here today again to talk about it. This morning I sit down in the sun, water come on my eye. I said, I want to know if them young girl yeah, because I tag me night pan Pink Wall. Yesterday. And some people are calling me from morning and I say, Them could have never have mother and sit down and tell Filoni for roll a gun in the dirt. Eh? So me I tell you, don't come talk about me there for you bash Filoni every day. Because he is a hypocrite. And you are one of them who could have leader and encourage her to run up and down in the dirt. You know much people me say love Solaine and call them, make Solaine do her finger and treat her good, and then put her up in enough phone and video her attack. That's why in Jamaica you will see a man a dead a ground. And the phone then take him up and put him in a one car if he can't go to hospital, them over him a video. I saw the world come to know. Una dig pit and I put Solaine down in there. Una bury her. I see enough time accidental things that now for everybody try if put it, find a car fast. I saw phone over the dead, I saw phone over the afflicted, I saw phone over the sick. Nobody now run to put them in a car. Everybody got their video. And that to now do with Solaine. You understand? So allegedly, I hear say it's Maka video will come out or will come out already, I don't know. I don't mean I no good. All I know everybody I do make sure do certain things and put her up in her phone. I don't mean I no good. I kill off the poor woman. And then later down the road, you know, see me tell you say social media can't broke me. Nor can't bring me down. Any bring down I come in a social media with me. And me I bring down myself. Because me not easily get led astray and nobody can tie me with the rope and nobody can bring me down. Because any secret me have me chat it. Nobody know hold nothing over me head. But as me say, me do my best. Some things when me say, me don't know some of them don't reach a pink wall. Me say every minute me see people send me. Them will fully do it. When she come here and she talk on the live, don't you hear she talk sensible? She sit down with me and she have a sensible conversation and she tell me about this and she preach. She have sense to an extent. You understand? When you give her this little pink wig all the night me there so I tell her, I said, Solaine, you know, wear the wig. Me take it for fun. Because me can't believe. She said them tell her say a bashment wig, a good dear wig. You understand? Enough people but help Solaine feel let down. And them things say she would have changed. You know, Solaine could have there yard, you know. Nice, calm, cook her little food, clean her place, sleep, and so. Them have her every night she got road say she got a party. Every night she got road say she got a party. Every night. Wagwan. But don't have for that blanca people. She go, when she learn, and when me tell her something, if nothing happens to Solaine, none of them will you see I put her in a phone. Nah run to her rescue. None of them. Oh. Apparently there is someone making the video to enter Maka Diamond's competition. So Maka Diamond is not responsible. Okay. She tell me say Maka Diamond send money for PR, so I don't know which part. She never hide and talk her $500. So I don't know how somebody a do it to enter the competition and Maka PR. I don't know. And that's the one tell me. And she talk to her in her phone. I don't know. I don't hear from nobody. I don't know nothing about them dealings. I do enough. Bring her. Come and me do enough. And me have mother, me have sister, me have auntie, and me have cousin. I would want nobody to do them so. I would want to see nobody to do them so. Anyway, the next topic we're going to talk about is Nenisha. Everything just listen. Nenisha came here this morning and she was talking about the cat. When Nenisha said she beat the cat, she don't mean to matter abuse the cat. Nenisha live way up and she the little boy lift the cat to come down here. Because every minute the cat jump out him and run off them, grab him up. And beat the woman and beat the cat or do cruelty to animal or anything. Like if him do something we stop him for the foot and say, don't tell her, don't go trouble nothing and him ear. It's not abuse, she abuse the cat. So, you just say me beat the cat, because when this video done, if me know that this is going to bring controversy, I don't post it, but I do another one. She not hurt the cat love her. When time them I go with the cat, when me I do the video, the cat run, God, when me look the cat over there, so sit down for the container, wait for them. A long time she have her post. I want to make it look like the woman says, when you see the cat a trim because the little boy have him up in there, man, the cat, it's not a cat where you used to hold up in there. So once you run him down and you hold him, because when you see him there, then you run him down, go down there and grab him and have him in your hand. I want to put it up, oh, me, oh, the woman cruelty to animal, all kind of something. She never do not like that. No, sir. So, no stop bring down the little girl and stop bash her. Me so proud of her. Somebody see her on the phone and from up there so this morning and call me and say, boy, Mr. Donna, me not lie. Me sorry you never have one more Ninisha up a back bush. One lady from up there call me. Look how you help Shan. And look how you start the Shan, the shop, the Shan. And the woman said the Shan shop lock down, Shan trust out everything and yam out everything. Nothing in the shop lock up. And when I said to the woman, I say Shante, workless. That I said to the woman when she said Ninisha video. Me say she tell me, and she said, Anna, look how you help Shan and give Shan the shop. Nothing in a Shan shop he lock up when you name out trust out. And she said, Mr. Terry, you never help one more Ninisha from back books because whole heap of young girl up here like Ninisha would have want help to stack up one stall to sell little soap. And the woman said, me I tell you, Mr. Donna Shan, workless, it pain me heart. Nothing in a Shan shop when you name out trust out. And Shan get house furnish everything and a little shop now to start up herself and sell even little soap and things in night. Wait there. She drink it out, yam it out and trust. But I say, I tell you, some of them young girls don't get no help. When I look back on it, I say, Shan, workless and careless. Tell me now, look how much I want in here. That's why I run far from them. Look how much young girl they pan here so now I watch. Would I love a little start. Shan get a house. Shan get it furnished out. And Shan get a little shop down at the road, build up. So Spider out there, so Spider build it up neat. People send money at $98,000. The woman give me figure Shan. And Shan it was some money out of the hardware and Shan give me the $15,000. And Shan get things in it and Shan get money for put things in it from the lady. How you feel so them doing how they feel? Eh? Say one woman left one bag, I say me figure Shan with something in night to sell, so I look makeup from when Paula show me, I go look for Shan when night. See him say him birthday, we had like have 10 fire stick. And I say, Shan, come for the bag. I know me no see Shan, because I say, I saw makeup, something for you put in a little shop. True Shan when I no shop, Shan no come. Shan get the shop stack up and with things in the all freezer in a Shan shop. I'm going to soon sell it. Then tell me now, backbush people, because I will allow no depend here. Backbush people, common people, 100 lane people, the whole I know depend here. Tell me now if Shan did somebody who me for waste my time with. Shan get a house full of furniture, backbush people. You see how me tile with Shan. When Shan house can't finish, you see me in a phone. Come beg and ball to finish up Shan house. Backbush people, Shan know my family. Shan know my sister. Shan know my cousin Sherika bring Shan to me. And I remember say she used to sell soap out there for her baby father. That's why sometimes when you see some man run from someone, you know if you go no wiser because they see carelessness they go all about. Make it Shan a shop. Make it Shan house. And for Shan sell a little sitting them and turn it over, have a little shop up and running. Not in a Shan shop. When the lady see Shan video, Ninisha video, the woman called me say, Miss Donna, God send you come a Mountain View for a reason. I'm sorry you never help 100 more Ninisha in a back busher. Because enough of them up here would have really want help where Shan get. Eh? Shan get everything, the whole package. And Shan shop lock up all freezer the woman send come buy. I don't even know that lady they feel when she hear me all talk this. Some a Sherika bring Shan to me. With if a pitney them and Shan get a little shot now. If you say alright, stack it up with little juice and little. Shan could have the right there, not care much shot there back bush. Sean could have the right there so. I sell. I look at juice. If shop the craft yet now, nothing to do with you. I can whole heap of shop up there, everybody I sell. And you want to tell me, say me here, say nothing in there, woman, say nothing in there, shop black up where them friend are up and wanna drink out the smoke out the trust out the. Eh? And she don't write down, she never know who take from her. You know how much people would have liked them out there? Eh? You know how much people would have liked them out there? You don't know how much people look come and struggle with the people them. When me call sometimes people them say, why? Auntie, Shannon gonna need counseling. Counseling? Tell him to drink and smoke and gamble. And I say so. Because I wanna burn my heart. If you see how me tile, I don't know you, you know, Shan. I don't know you no from nowhere. I don't know you, I'm put my life on the line no, for you. I beg, I beseech. Eh? Me say pick them up there run up and down dirty same way, no shot. That the woman tell me. People see the video with Ninisha and feel so proud. And said, Donna, I should have 100 backbush people. Me know I say I'm no hypocrite. I should have 100 somebody like a Ninisha up here for your help, so. Say I don't want me afraid that baby mother them. I'm afraid of them. You know the woman say you soon see her breed again because you fix her for she breed again. Because guess what? You give her house, fridge, bed, everything for she go lie down and bring another one in there. What's up? I'm shame this morning. Look how me tile, you see me Shano start from 2019 June or one of them when the house burned down. And me tile through 2019 through 2020. Come and beg beseech till it done. Eh? Eh? Then if somebody could have helped me, so me Shan should have make me be proud, send come call me, Miss Donna. My graduate off of the program already. Come video me shop, make the plank of them see how me I live. Make the plank of them see how me nice clean shop still. Eh? And when me come here, come talk about how me disgration for cement, how me this, how me that. When me just chat truth and not give a damn who want bex or who want hate me. Because me just raw. Eh? How much people with a glad for the opportunity there. Eh? I must feel away in my spirit. I don't on the life here, spider. Eh? I must feel away in myself to see how I could they pay money they will build up Shan and help him stack. How much people. I said another problem I have again, I don't have a she. Because Shan coming like a basket where you throw water in and it run out. Because I look like a that Shan is. Water does run through. Me help you so Shan, make me proud no? Nothing at this December in the last year, I graduate Shan, you know. And Shan at the shop, from me say Shan I fan, but when me ask her about the profit when she got town, she a go, she a go. Nothing. Eh? Look how much ghetto people out there suffer with a love look like the another thing when I have again. Call quite. I call over 70 donors from morning. I write up them donation. I'm having a problem now. Because no found enough company when I donate to come tell me what to do with the people them money. What me have with the donors them now? What me I got talk now? This now nothing to do with the people them when I donate to only a chat. But me tell you what happen now. Let me tell you the problem we have what me have with the program now. So when I write up donation, because any donor will send money here. The person will come here Christmas, I talk. Although you tell me who to send, I never me you give to you, did call me out and tell me you give me $100,000 to buy the sorrel cake, you know yourself. But you want a number to call you to confirm something with you. $100,000 donor Christmas. Me just reach to your money will come here live and direct and give me $100,000 to give out. Yeah, your girlfriend, please get in contact with Paula ASAP. Cause you never want to talk to you about something. Cause me like to confirm make you know say me receive it and so. But you never give no money, but you tell me directly who to give it to. So if you know yourself 100,000 donor, will give me the money cash Christmas when you come buy the enough cake them. Me did want to talk to you. Cause when you did that talk to me, my brain never did a function cause me did tired of bake. What go on? Bless up yourself. The problem I have now. $100,000 donor will give me the 100,000 cash to donate to somebody on the program. And you say you want to be known as the person who will come and buy the sorrel cake and it nice and it make you want to bless my program. I tell you what the person say, cause it mark on it. You give me $100,000 to Miss Paula and you're right. Paul Claudia, you remember who bring the $100,000? Oh, you never there. Me see it right. Person will buy the sorrel cake and it nice and you want to sow $100,000 in my ministry with him. It's a man and him girlfriend. You don't know yourself. Call me. I don't no name for you, but I want to talk to you because you did say something to me. So, anyway. When I have a problem with no, I want to change up the program. But the donors is the problem. And if the donors tell me something will send them money, I cannot go beyond it. If the donors them will send them donation to me, want to bless somebody who I get 100 donation, I cannot do anything about it. First thing is my program, second is not my money. So the donors them me I talk to now, me I go talk to Uno now, cause me talk to no for this morning. When I donors on my program, and I now go change it. You know why? Because this is what make it different. As that the lady them said to me this morning and some of the man them. This is what make it distinct from other charities. Them this morning me I write up and me say all once somebody I get 20 and me I say to some of them say that person I get and that person I this one I get and me have some over this one when I get. Them say no, Miss Donna. Don't tell us who to give up our money to. Make we bless who we see on the program. So if the person I get 10 donation, don't tell me that. My duty is to give who the Lord lead me to bless. So all I want to tell me say once somebody I get $1 million go and continue. Cause the people them Natalie was me this morning me I write up and me I talk to people and I say alright, so me have some on the program that we all are some on this so we need it. Make somebody else get. Me can't go behind them word. Them say keep the program, that is what draw we pick up on it. So when you see all a man I get $1 million, one I get 500,000, one I get 300,000, it don't have nothing to do with me. Yeah, bless. Me can't do nothing. Cause people them send them money and me and them stay foreign and walking. You know who I chat to me if change the program, I want them when I give dollar, when I phone a comment. The one them when me talk to some people from England, like me I call out, cause we don't know I put America donation different. Canada different, and that's how we are do it and assess it. Because we have the mix up and we go for summer we are start it out. When I talk to people, they ask Paula, so Paula sit down and look. Me I write up and me say, but that person did get some already, you know, enough already. Me help that one upon the house. Them say no. No, Miss Donna. Me can't restrict nobody from no collect nothing. Because first thing them I tell me say leave me alone. Make me donate to who me want donate to. So all I would tell me say me can't give one somebody $1 million. I'm going to see some of them get all 3 million. Because I know me choose it. I don't have a say out of who get people money. Me I go keep it that way. Because a doctor man tell me this man will send some money for me donate to somebody. The lady will send the money to Ninisha. Me I try to say, alright Ninita, graduate off my program. Lady said, no, Mr. I sent it for her. She never do anything bad on here. All the girl will talk about me not give Mary Puss money. Mary Puss scam me and tell me pure lie. I come comment and a message me about how me get Ninisha and she graduate and I couldn't call Mary Puss. Mary Puss scare me in a house when I no fear and tell pure lie. But you don't leave me alone. The lady said, Miss Donna, Mary Puss get too much money and her sister did want a fridge and she couldn't buy her. Then me figure she back donation. The donors them are the one who have the say. All I want when I donate, leave them, make me run the show. Because them tell me, that them as, they say, no, she want her, forget it. Everybody when me I try direct the traffic to make other people panic get. Them say Annty Donna your program and I saw me seat and I saw drawn to you. Me give me money to who I want. Not tell me who to give my money to. You hear? I me have to draw pen and write. So when you say people pan ya get one all I get too much money and some now get none. Me can't tell people who give me their money where for do. What me say? I cannot tell the donors what to do. Me agree with the donors, so who them like and wish to help. Yeah. Me this morning Paul office say I never with the right out this song. She said, Donna, you know see ya, you can't tell them what to do with their money. No for them the pay no. One doctor said, Miss Donna, one man doctor this morning. Say, look here. I watch the program and like the aspect of how you do your program. And he sent some money and he called 5 names. And me that try put it to one other name. He said, no. I watch it and I go through the program and I see who I want to help. I am working with this Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit tell me, you not tell me to bless who me what you want to bless. And me have to write. Me could have tell him, say, alright, that 5 they get already this morning. Bless another one day. No. And them want to bless. So don't come to me and tell me what to do. Because this aspect of the program partner change. Yes, so all of you you still a sell the do me swing some. How you mean? Bless up yourself. Yeah. All I want to have a say and tell me about Auntie, you know, run the program right. I have once my dear collect too much money. That nah nothing to do with me. See my hand them upon ya. Cause me know they are foreign I work in a coal. Me know they are Jamaica I work nowhere. Me know they nowhere I work nowhere. People them say give them their money. When me say, oh, it's my money. Yeah, that me I hear from morning. You're the only one that does the other one, all the money I see on that. Thank you, everyone will trust you. Yeah. Me have to do what them say. Me have to do. Me can't go put in through me run program. Me I tell them, me I say, alright. Make we bless so. Some of them never want to bless no woman. Some of them don't want to bless no young girl. Some of them don't want to bless no old people. Some of them want to bless this. And I saw me hear the different type of topic. So you see, I want to need a phone when they not send 50 cents come here and tell me what to do with the people, their money. Leave me, make me work. I know me I work at them and send their money come here. And all I want me call have a say, but I don't agree with her using donors money without him. What not talk about? Me not use no donors money plank out. You not tell no lie for me yet do. Any money me not hear from before me use it, me call out on the name wide open. Because this morning me did mad fi call out some Claudia and Paula hold on panic. No. Then they tell me say me not fi call any name in a phone. Me not use nobody money. All if I 10 years then take forget to me. Don't you know when me have it too long, me put up a picture in a phone and you see how fast then call. Put up their name up in here. When me now, because we are calling some of them, me have all a batch me put on when you call them, it just say calling. Well, Paula said, give them little time, you can leave them message and so. So, me not give nobody money. Me not use nobody money or then tell me not to use it. Or them have to give me okay. Every money want to see me give out. Every money want to see me read out. And people tell me and them have to give me a name. They don't want their name called and can't tell me about anonymous. Because that not work in a planka shop again. You have to give me that Jesus loves you. Either Jesus hates you or Jesus spit you out. You have to give me a name to call out. I don't have a say. I can't transfer your donation to you get too much to Natalie or to Paula or to somebody. If donors send money for part, alright. Me I write up this morning. Me show you my program run. And Paula they write up with me. Sit down there. Me and Paula there. So Paula pass the money them give me and dial the donors them number. And me I call them for talk to them. And then Paula say, hi, good morning. This is Auntie Paula right here. I have Miss Donna right here want to confirm your donation to write up who must get your donation. Okay, Miss Paula, give Miss Donna. Alright, see Auntie Donna here. Auntie Donna, come on. Hi, good morning. Auntie Donna here. I received your donation and I just reached to it. Sorry for the long time. Who should I write up your donation to? Alright, give John put 5,000. Alright, give John Harry 6,000. And give Miss Paula $6,000. And I say, Miss Paula is right here, you know, you can talk to her and give it to her yourself. No, I want to see Miss Paula in the phone. Then, you tell me, tell me no. Remember me and Paula did it, Paula called them, and I me right. So if a person see Paula did it, so I'm going to tell me, say, I want to see Miss Paula receive the money in the phone. Then me can go tell Paula, say, if you take it and tell her thanks on the phone. You must say mad. Every one of them are right up. Me tell the lady, say Paula right here, she call you, you know. You can bless Paula. And Miss Claudia off the phone. Cause or whatever. She said, no, Miss Donna, write it up and write the name that you must call me out and on the phone. That's so a program go. So you don't understand and dictate to me how me fi run this. Leave it alone. Cause too much. My granny said too much rat never dig a good hole. And from this year start and me wanna dig hole, that's why I dig a good hole. You ever get all no more rats to come by ya. Neither thing again. When me a born, me never born in a no twin. Never born in a no triplet. Me never born in a no fourplet. And me never born in a no fifthlet. Now me never born in a no sixthlet. So all I want to when on see me around me look up program and I want to come in an organization with me. I want to be a part of a team, to structure a team and to do it. You know, leave me alone. If I pick me, I go down in our sea, but I make me go along down in them, me one. For you know, now left for 2 years, me run it down, you know, you're no bangarang over here. You know, left me, make me do what God ordained me to do and do. And not come in and not ties with me. Because ties me through our church. You nobody want to come for no wagon with me, no bench with me. Because when me alone in this, you know, you're no bangarang. What me say? You know, you're no bangarang, no galang, no me and Paula, one and Paula can't confirm. No do any, me tell you no. See me looking at my face good. As much as you know see me and Paula close. And Paula collect money for me. Paula can't write up no donation unless I write it up. What me say? Paula not have that privilege to write it up and say to John Puss, me have to talk to you the donor personally. Oh, I may look upon your number and score it. I may look upon your money and ask you what to do with it. Because when the attack claps come, me can't go say I never me you talk to is Miss Paula. I can't go say it's never me the deal with you is Miss Paula. Me, it's a whole brain here where God give me. I can't remember every donor when me talk to and when they tell me nothing, I go so whap. That's why I can't make this not happen to this. And that's why I store me things them in Google. Me supposed to can go in on my phone and say plop, 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 plop. What name did I give you to send out the donation? And you give me and me type in and everything come up. No bangarang can come with my name because I not give Paula no authority for write up no paper and fold it, lock it, put it down. And me not talk to you for hear what you say good. Sometimes I ask you donor them all 10 times. Who for name you say again? I don't hear you. What you say me for write up again? I don't hear you. So no love me, make me go on with this. Ask any donor upon you if they ever talk to anybody else unless I me. Ask the hundreds, the thousands of donor upon you. Donor, all I want upon you, no type yes if me not talk to all I want to send no money. Only one them I not talk to yet are the one them their money no reach ya. When no call out yet, or me not talk to, me not write it up yet. Ask them if I lie, me I tell. I ever give out to the money in a phone and don't talk to no. Paula can't talk to no for me. So, me tell you every donor me talk to them. Now make them soon for them in on the inbox I beg a better. But I write up, can they go in there? Lord. Every donor me talk to them. That mean anything go wrong and they don't hear their money call them can't say yes, Annty. Oh. That's why no bangarang can't go on. In this here charity here. See blessed pussy lady we send the money for Nisha. See her call. Hello, good morning.